Guys, welcome to another backtesting session. My name is Ozzy. Today we're going to be backtesting April 2025. We already did a couple of days of backtesting in what was it, last week type shit in premium. This backtesting session is for free chat also, so let's get straight to it. Do you have any questions before we start? April 2024, my bad, my bad. April 2024, my bad. Nah, I'm not geeked. I'm sober. I'm sober. Let's get this shit started. First things first, hop on high time period, 15 minutes, see what the overnight session did. As you can see here, we got we are uh in the buy side of the curve. Up on the 1 hour, see what we did. Okay, tapped into this 1 hour value gap that we are currently respecting. On our rebalance, it's previous day lows right here. We got some lower resistance liquidity over extended range, probably OT of the range as well, or at least equilibrium, I assume. Equilibrium of the range. Yeah, also CSD here that we are currently kind of respecting. Our CSD we got previous day lows. Yeah, I got London lows, you got pre-market lows right there. I think there's news also, right? Yeah, this is data lows. We got London lows still, Asia lows. Previous day lows. We got an order block right there. Oops. Got a bearish order block. Yeah, looks good. Looks good for shorts. So bias today would be bearish, just based off of what we're respecting, what we're disrespecting, how far we are in the range, what needs rebalancing, what doesn't. Based off of that, you can see that we are most likely going to be bearish, at least short-term bearish. We got a 15-minute rebound, not a rebound, but a 15-minute spike that we tapped into also. Yeah. Okay. Up in the 1 minute, see what we're working with. We got data lows here that is already swept. On 1 minute, it's already swept. You hop on the 2 minute, you see that it isn't swept. So just keep in mind it is still pretty okay drawn liquidity. We got no New York pre-New York Stock Exchange open AMD model because accumulation we manipulate to the downside. Tap into this 1 minute order block, probably rebalance a 5 minute in the process also. Just distribute to the upside and versus fall. You got distribute to the upside. Tap into the order block, tap into a 1 hour rebalance. 1 hour CISD. Equilibrium of the range. Just take a look at the 30-minute one more time. Got previous day highs up there. Nice. Kind of got a high time frame AMD model to the upside. I think we're good if we fade that. Type shit. Hold on, let me fix this indicator. So 35 type shit. I think a bit more. 55. Okay. Let me fix the colors real quick. On the 15-minute, I want 4 of them. On the 5. Yeah, that's good. Type shit. Okay, okay. Let's push it to the right a bit more. Okay, that's better. Yeah, let's see how 930 opens. Okay. Let's mark out theta lows. Even though it's already swept. It's whatever though. Okay. We did sweep data lows here. That's we're gonna sweep. Okay. We didn't sweep one of those. Which is good because we can target that. Bunch of shorts. Yeah, oops, not data lows, long lows, my bad. Okay, that's London lows right there. Asia lows below, still loads of low resist liquidity to the downside. Okay, tap back into the order block on RCISD, most likely equilibrium of the range, maybe OT. If we can reach OT, that would be pretty fire. Okay, we don't. It's the moment, all right. Didn't print an SMT, no SMT the lows. Okay, that's OT. Now we have an SMT at the highs. See if it holds. Please. Okay. SMT the highs. All right. Yeah, SMT the highs. High, low, higher high. Fib. Huh? Oops. Okay. Whip on the fib, place it on the B leg. B leg is the low, high, higher, high, lower, low. F5 is all the way up there. Pairs with order block. We do have an internal SMT though, so okay. Did it tap? No. Okay. We continue this SMT. This SMT is still holding. Or is it? No, this SMT didn't hold. Right? Well, there's an internal small SMT. We did, however, soup this, which is 9 AM highs, I think. No, the macro highs, my bad. Yes, if we can inverse this IPG, if you can inverse that for all you got, I wouldn't be opposed to taking a short to the downside. See how this plays out. Okay. It's a crazy close. See the risk. This is a short, right? Yeah. See the risk on this. Two London lows. 1 to 2. Ain't even that crazy, to be honest. Just analyze it one more time. Swap data lows had a retrace to the upside, tap into the order block on RCISD. OTE, external range, equilibrium, external range, order block. You have an ABS model right here. That's a crazy ABS model. It's a big ass ABS model. Let's mark it out at 36. Okay. Yeah, I'm not opposed to taking this. I'll take it with low risk though. Just because we didn't tap into 1.5 and the order block that's above. We did, however, have a 50-minute rebalance with this. Let's see, right? Yeah, this total sweep is also a 50-minute rebalance. Oops. So everything lines up except for a 1.5 standard deviation, and the order block maybe have an external SMT that I didn't see. Let's look at that real quick. Okay, we do have an external SMT with a 1 hour rebalance. Right? Yeah. External SMT, IFG, 1 hour CSD, order block, 1.5, no 1.5 standard deviation, 50-minute rebalance, OTE, and external range equilibrium ABS model, no AMD framework. Yeah, I'll take this. I'll go break even at these lows. The bottom. Yeah, I'll take this. Can I please get what I want? Hold on. Why is it not doing what I want? Okay. Yeah. Like I said, break even at these lows. Let's see how this works out. How this plays out. Okay, this is break even. If it wants to go break even, I'll take a partial at these lows. Okay, still take a partial. 50% out. The rest right. Okay, and that's full TP. Let me take a screenshot of this. Any questions about the trade? Let's analyze it together one more time. Yeah, like I said, external SMT. External SMT, 1 hour rebalance. External order block. I think it was a 1 hour order block. Right? Why is this order block so big? Okay, type shit. 1 hour order block here. We also, or no, it was a 15-minute, right? Or a 30-minute? I have no clue. It was an order block. We had a 1 hour CISD. We had a 15-minute rebalance. We had OTE here, internal range OTE. We had low and lows below, Asia lows below, lows of low resist liquidity. ABS framework, inverse value gap. External SMT, like I said, external range equilibrium. And that's it, right? I did not enter off the 1 minute inverse because it wasn't 10 a.m. just yet. 10 a.m. was really close by, so I wanted to wait for that. I don't know if there's going to be a turtle soup or if it continues down, leaving your chance for entry. Oh, what do you mean? Should criteria to enter before 10? Honestly, it differs. In this case, we were really close by 10 with like 9:55. And I wanted to like avoid getting wicked out because the open can sometimes be like really volatile. So I wanted to avoid that. And the IFEG and the momentum that we had to the downside pretty much confirmed that we were going to continue to run on lows. And I'll wait for 1.5 standard deviation. Two simple reasons, okay? A couple simple reasons, okay? We had a 1 hour CISD that we tapped into, which you can see here. We had an order block, 1 hour order block. We had an internal SMT with a 15-minute rebalance and the OT of the range. Those stack confluences, stack so close to each other, pretty much confirm like that we are gonna reject off of that. Okay, so when you're trading, you want to look at a couple of things. Okay, the most important thing is that you have loads of confluences and loads of loads of confluences and loads of what's it called loads of confirmations and loads of rejections and loads of confluences stacked so close to each other that a rejection off of that area is almost like inevitable, you know? Facial fib settings, yeah, sure. I'll see. These are the Fibonacci settings. I'll screenshot. Daily profiles, yeah. Usually daily profiles. Yeah, I try. Type shit. How come you didn't enter on the first tab? You mean this tab? Because we were too close to 10 a.m. and I wanted to wait for 10 a.m. open. As you can see here, 10 a.m. open high. Now we had a low. 10 a.m. open high, low close. This week here, that's your open high and low close. So it wasn't for 10 yeah. Nah, if it wasn't for 10 a.m., I probably would have entered off of the first step. Because we already had sufficient internal structure, we swept this liquidity and we had an inverse fall gap to the downside. So probably would have waited for this inverse fall gap to happen and then take my trade to the downside. Yes, sir. There's a difference between your ABS model versus versus Adanomics ABS model. Okay, my ABS model is okay. Honestly, Adanomics ABS model, I feel like it's kind of incomplete. No shade to him, but I think like it's too mechanical. Like his ABS model is really mechanical, and mine requires a lot more discretion. And yeah, it requires a lot more discretion to trade it. Where can I learn about open high low close? Teachers have a couple of good videos on it. I think Teachers has a couple good videos on it. Let's see. Oops. No, he dropped a new video. Yeah, open high low close. Yeah, these two videos are pretty okay. Uh, they're trading the daily open high low close. Yeah, this is more for the daily. I want to watch this video, but I recommend you watch these two videos. He explains it pretty quickly and pretty good. Yeah, and a couple of other like creators have some good videos on it. Look for it. Some videos. Spanish. This is stat maps. If you have like stat maps and 2 degrees tools, you should look at this video as well. I don't see a creator that I know. Yeah, that's whatever. Any other questions about trade? In this trade, did you consider accumulation? There was no in the framework here. Yeah, at least not one that lined up with one. We had accumulation here. We also had accumulation here, but we already had manipulation move, the distribution move to the upside. Then we accumulated premium stock exchange open. We distributed to the downside, but there was just too much liquidity to the downside that was up for grabs to be looking for lots, in my opinion. I mean, after sweeping data lows, you could have taken a lot, but wouldn't have been the best long. So when you take a trade if we're close to 10 a.m., it's really circumstantial. In a couple of cases, I will take a trade before 10 a.m., but probably make sure that I probably make sure that I am like risk free before 10 a.m. open. And in other cases, I won't. In other cases, I'll just take a trade after 10 a.m. Wait for 10 a.m. to open and then take a trade after it. Yeah, with target be on live markets, not anymore. I used to a lot, but not anymore. I don't really target beyond two RR. So in live markets, this would have been my final CP. Really close along the lows. Could see this shit running to Asia lows, to be honest. Yeah. Long and lows line up pretty well with 170 deviation also. Minus 170 deviation, my bad. It's not related to backtesting, but could you go over some of the Asian trades you took between oh yeah. Yeah, I could do that. I have some screenshots. I don't remember. I don't really remember what trade I took, but if I have some screenshots, I'll definitely go over it. 1 hour start. This is the 1 hour chart. I should. Alright. Those Asia lows. I can see price go for previous day lows. We're playing in between. Any other questions before I continue? We'll do a week of back this month. Alright. Let's continue. Electrons. So okay. Let's see. Up in the 50 minutes, see what happens. One of those here. Previous lows already swept by Asia and yeah, it's Asia. We got current day lows. There's this liquidity here. Yes, London move was a sponsor. Let's look at 1 hour. 4 hour? Okay. The move was sponsored. I mean it continued. Oh, hold on. This is the main London move, not bad. Hmm. This is really weird. Okay. The London moves here. High, low, high, low, low. standard deviation, high time frame, ABS to the short, previous day lows below. Should they open somewhere around here? Okay, we got should they open here? Type shit. Hmm. I want to be bullish here. I want to be bullish here. Okay. See how 930 opens up. Judge based off of that. Loads of low resistance liquidity. We got an SMT also, right? Am I tweaking? No, we got an SMT with this 15-minute rebalance. I can see 930 opening up lower, going going higher. I don't think this SMT will hold, but see. It's paired with TDO. So, okay, did not hold. SMT did not hold. We are intraday open right now though. Loads of low resistance liquidity being generated right now. We're gonna woman order block. I don't like this wiki price action. Let's mark out the range. See if we can smack some longs here. Oh shit. Oh, we did already tap into OTE. Studio open again. Back in OTE. Now in the golden pocket. Did tap into golden pocket. Hop on the 15 again. Got a 15-minute we are currently trading in. We got an SMT with these lows. Yeah, this is really scuffed, but there is a bullish ABS here, low, high, low, low, high, high. Doubt it, and doubt it tops to professional deviation low. The top two golden pocket, we have an SMT, external SMT. With long and lows, we have a Trudeau open top is probably gonna get respected. Most likely an order block top too. Yeah, yeah. Barely top the order block. B plus order block. Yeah. Like I said, loads of low resistance liquidity. You can even see it on the 15-minute. There's no 15-minute rebound, so that's kind of good. I hope there is a 5-minute. No 5-minute also. Okay. Okay. We got ABS right there. 945, so pretty okay still. Overextended range, by the way. I think we can start like looking at a potential buy side of the curve. We got previous day highs all the way up there. Huge overnight dump. PM dump, my bad. Huge PM dump. In a 4-hour actually. Swept this liquidity, tapped into, didn't tap into this 4-hour, did however tap into this on about this 4-hour. Probably OT of this whole range right there. Okay, let's see. any like absolute that I can see. Now we have a good SMT. It's a better SMT. And a better tap into the order block. And an SMT with low lows. Type shit. Yeah, I want to see some rejection off of this. Like fast also. I'm gonna take 30-second. Did we image this? We did. Okay. Nah, honestly, I don't want to take this 30-second version. Oops. I'll take this FEG 30-second, please. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Image that. See the risk. What would be 1 to 2? It's a perfect 1 to 2. Okay. Outflows for this trade would be ABS framework, kind of AMD framework. We already swept most of the accumulation highs, but there is still accumulation highs to be swept right there. So AMD framework didn't really have a distribution move, like not a good distribution move anyways. Loads of low resist liquidity, ABS framework, SMT, external SMT, order block, golden pocket, um, order block, 50-minute order block tap, propulsion block actually. We got this order block here as well. So this is a propulsion block also. 50-minute rebalance, trade open that is being respected right now. Yeah, no good like rebalances to the upside. None that I can see anyways. I'll go. Where should I go break even? I'll go break even at this low because this high because it's also order block. Can wick that. Cannot close above that. I don't think we will go higher. We can close above that. These highs are most likely guaranteed. Let's see. Okay, let's go break even here. Take out 50 of our position also. 50%. Who wants to? Thanks a lot. Yeah, I think these highs are guaranteed almost. No, rare. Ain't no way. I'm gonna chill my stop loss. My stop loss too. Right there. Guarantee a bit of profit at least. Show it a bit more. Okay. That's full TP. Crazy edge, but still full TP. Any questions about the trade? OTE. OTE stands for optimal trade entry. Use Judas swing? Not in the way that most people use it. No. We just wait for Judas swing to play out, and then take trades based off of that. Any questions about the trade? Was there? Yeah, there was an OB rejection. Here, this 15-minute order block. Tapped into it. Rejected it sharply. Think think ES stopped into trade open a bit later. Yeah. There was a better OTE top. TDO top on ES. Can I find video about Judas? Honestly, I haven't done that much quote unquote research about. What's it called? I haven't done that much research about Judas, but there's definitely good video on it. Let's see. I can watch you can watch ICT. I don't think T-Trace made a video about it. Unless you can. Never never seen T-Trace video about it. And this is Studio on A30 Open. Dan Trading made a video about it. You should watch this one. Yeah, I mean you can watch ICT's video about it, but it's gonna be a whole lot of Dan probably explains it a lot better. Is SMT mandatory? It's not mandatory, but 99% of the 99% of my trades do have an SMT, albeit internal or external. I don't know where to place a fib for OTE and ABS. For ABS, it's on the B leg, so like. Oops, where is it? Oh, there it is. For ABS, it would be high, low, high, low, low. For ABS, it would be on this leg. We have the A leg, B leg, C leg, D leg. Place your fib from high to low, wick to wick. Look for a rejection off of 1.5 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation. For OTE, just the most obvious range. As you can see here, this is a good 5-minute range that we have here. Tap into Goto Pocket / OTE and shoot up. I should. Confluences are mandatory. AMD, at least AMD. An AMD framework is mandatory for me. If we like, it's really circumstantial. Okay, not all my trades have AMD. Okay, let's just call it either AMD or ABS. Those are mandatory. Yeah, SMT you can call that mandatory as well. Good targets, good drawn liquidity. What else? Good targets. Yeah, that's it basically. Those are the mandatory, like actually mandatory confluences, and then you have secondary confluences like OT or block rejections. He has these true day open, ABS, all that shit. Goldilocks. It's for the gold traders. Any other questions? Only trade futures. Does ABS work for gold? I haven't backtested it. I have no clue if it works on gold. It was good nip. I'm chilling. How about you? Can you explain what the high time frame SMT? What is internal SMT and what's external SMT? WRTA continuation, trade over trade goods. So you use that differently. External SMT is just anything with an SMT with anything like that's liquidity session. That's like liquid session liquidity, you know. So you have an SMT with long and lows in this case. And this is an external SMT. Um, yeah, internal SMT speaks for itself. Just an SMT that happened. Like for example, if you have an SMT here at the highs right now, this would be an internal SMT. It just speaks for itself. An external SMT is the same as a higher time frame SMT basically, and an internal SMT is just I don't know how to explain it fully to be honest, but you should know the difference between the two. Hive shit. Huh. Sorry, I can't laugh at this shit. Hive shit. Any other questions? Do you know what was it ABS? Okay, I think you misunderstand what ABS is. ABS is a pattern, right? It's a pattern made of high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Yeah, it's a pattern made of high, low, higher, high, lower, low, or low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Okay. Does not need to have a 1.5 or 2 standard deviation rejection to be an ABS. It does, however, make it way higher rated. From what I've seen from my backtesting, and like way cleaner to trade. But you do not need to mark out the Fibonacci to know if you know if there is an ABS model. Because at the end of the day, ABS is just a break block. You're anticipating a break block. You're entering before a break block even forms. And a break block at the end of the day is just a pattern: high, low, high, low, low, high, low, low, higher, high. No, PDI is not the same as ABS. PDI is PDI is just AMD. It's just PDI is AMD. Yeah, exactly. I cannot teach you PDI, but it's public knowledge. You should know already what PDI is. PDI is an inversion. It stands for pre-distribution inversion. Okay. Um, yeah, it stands for pre-distribution inversion. It's you basically enter on the distribution leg of the AMD model. AMD stands for accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and you enter. Yeah, it speaks for itself. PDI is just AMD. I haven't seen a PDI in months. I see it every day. Yeah, you're catching the distribution up slash down. Indeed, indeed. Change up the music actually. You wanna listen to this? I'll listen to Outcast. You heard? This nigga real. Alright. Do you have any other questions before I continue with Wednesday? It is C leg. No, it's okay. You have A, B, C. Oh yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't really use break construction, but I think this is a break construction, right? Yeah, C leg is only valid after a break construction. You need to have a close above the B leg, high, low, higher, high, low, low. Some cases you can have this. This would still be valid if, emphasis on if, there is an SMT at the highs. So high, low, SMT, higher, high, because ES stick this, but NQ didn't. And then a lower low. This is the only case where it's valid when it, like, if it doesn't make a higher high, but it leaves an SMT at both highs, at the B leg high and the C leg high, then it's valid. But this this is the like quote unquote traditional ABS model. Yeah, I'm home right now, so that's why it's good. I'm at my folks' place. Oh, I wasn't. I was gonna read that, but guess it got deleted. On YouTube? Yeah, most likely. Graf's gonna post it. It shows the 3 p.m. model. Yeah, for sure. I'll do a 3 p.m. model. You ever show your face? I have in the past, but in this case, I'm not gonna do it. I have in the past. I'll be face reveal type shit. No, most people in there know already what I look like. Hold on 1 second. Get my type shit. Type shit. I backed this a month when I was bored and it was around 37, 73%. Type shit. That's good, bro. That's good. Imagine what you can do when you lock in. Uh, let's continue. Y'all want to see a 3 p.m. model, right? What time is it? It's 10. Go on the 1 hour then. Or not, the 4 hour. 2. Go on the 1 hour. Oh no. Did it go? Okay. Type shit. Okay. Bullish, bearish. It is a bullish day. Type shit. Okay, we got PMIs here. We got PM lows right there. PMIs, PM lows. A moment on ES. Bullish days, so we're looking for longs. See the 5-minute. 5-minute rebounds is about to open up. Okay, we need to skip to. Oh shit. No, I'm gonna need a rate of PM lows, 3 PM lows. Still too early. Okay, type shit. Demos on. Okay, 3 PM model is super mechanical. You want to look for either a 3 PM low rate, low or high rate. Then look for more components. We have low, high, low, low. So ABS as well. ABS up on the 15. Look if there's a rebalance. There's not. On the 5-minute, there's not. We did tap into a order block, however. This is a sweep. It's a liquidity one, so that makes it lower rated. Is this equal? Do we sweep that? For the 3 PM model, it's best if you have an SMT with something like an obvious low type shit or high. Okay, those are equal. So no SMT. Okay. Final target should be 3 PM highs. 3 PM highs is here. External target could be PM highs. Oh no, this is really like bad RR. Yeah, I'll take this, I guess. In the image flag gap, we got ABS model, we got AMD model. We got a 3 PM low rate. We don't have an SMT, which makes this a lot lower rated than normally. You have at least a 5-minute rebalance above. You don't. Okay, that's scuffed. Yeah. Oops. Place order 1%. It's bad RR. I'll go break even right around here. This order block. Is that 1-to-1? If it is, I'll take a partial as well. Okay, so I'll take a partial here. With the 3 PM model, it's pretty important that you take partials wherever you can, unless you're trading 1-to-2. If you're trading 1-to-2, then you should let it, you should let it ride to 1-to-2, full close at 1-to-2, break even at 1-to-1. Yeah, the 3 PM model is just basically something that has been quote unquote statistically proven. It's a bullish day. There's a 49% chance that the 3 PM candle is going to be bullish also, or at least like rate its own highs or the PM highs. Okay, that's where the whole idea comes from. And if like a 3 PM rate happens, 3 PM low rate happens if it's a bullish day, then you have a 94% chance that it's going to go to the 3 PM highs. Okay, and then you just need to find an entry in between. In this case, we have a low, high, lower, low. I'm expecting a higher high. Order block rejection right here. We don't have an SMT. But like I said, order block rejection, probably OT of the range. Not golden pocket, just probably 0.618. Yeah. Hold on. Mad annoying. Yeah, 0.618. OT. Image flow I got. OT, order block, ABS, AMD. That's a C setup. It's not a good setup, but just wanted to show you. And it's going straight to stop loss. Or maybe not. Maybe it is. Yeah, this is choppy. Okay, that's a stop loss. That's true. Yeah, I got caught up in chop and then manipulation moved to the downside. It does. That's a losing trade, but it does have a 75% plus win rate. Real love. Real love. Real love. Yeah. When the 3 p.m. model appeared, it delivered at least 1-1 and got beat, but didn't get stopped. Yeah. I mean, it really depends. The 3 p.m. model really depends on how good of an entry you can get and how choppy it is. Most of the time, the final delivery is really volatile, so it's going to be really wicky. So you got to be careful of that. But it's good. It's a good model. It has a pretty high win rate if you just stick to at least like B plus rated setups. In this case, I don't know what I gave this setup. It's a B plus B C plus B minus setup. Just got up and chop. It's whatever though. All right, let's go to next day AM. Wants to load. Type shit. Where's my Where's my indicator? Okay, my indicator's gone. Can it show up, please? There it is. Okay, hop on the 15-minute. See what's happening. Okay, this London down. Huge overnight range, overextended. London move is sponsored. Previously low sweep. In between London and Asia. London continued that move to the upside, so it's sponsored. So we want to look for, unless we have SMT with previous day highs, I think no, we don't have an SMT with previous highs. I want to leave more bullish here. But most of the AM objective has already been taken. We already took London highs and Asia highs. We still got previous day highs that we could target. This is a crazy dump. I don't like this. It's a huge overnight range. At least like what 200 points, 150 points. It's a huge overnight dump. And then instantly a rebalance of it as well. In London, in a pre-market also. I'm gonna leave more bullish here until previous day high. The green versus 50-minute. I'll be looking for shorts. Still have a 1 hour below, I think, right? Yeah, we got a 1 hour, minuscule 1 hour here. Super small 1 hour. Order block there, previous day lows has already been taken. We got current day lows. Yeah, I have no clue. Let's see. See how 930 opens up. Kind of unbiased. Leaning more bullish. Be the check though. Still gonna be the champ. Still gonna be the champ. Low, high, low, low, high, high. Yeah, let's go work out. type shit. Hey, looks like we're going to. We did inverse that 50-minute, by the way. As I said, if we inverse this 50-minute, I'll be looking for first, but there's no entry whatsoever. Just been falling. Okay, accumulating. SMT on the lows. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the upside. This is PDI. Accumulation, manipulation to the downside. Sweep on the lows. Leave an SMT with it. Have an inverse. We inverse it. Break even at accumulation highs. And you're getting right there. You know, draw is still lower for some reason. Although we didn't take previous highs, right? No, we didn't. Okay, that's previous day low. But it's 11 already, so yeah. Nothing in AM whatsoever. That's crazy. Let's go to the next day AM. Wants to load, please. Okay, let's see. We got high resistance looking. We got a 3 drive. 1, 2, 3. Swap on the lows. Naturally, you should be looking for longs. What's this? This London move is not sponsored, so you're looking for a retrace to London highs again. So this is a New York reversal. You're looking for a long towards London highs at least. Now you can start looking at previous day highs, but previous day highs is crazy high. So it's a bit ambitious, overextend the range as well. We got previous day lows there. Yeah. Gonna be looking for longs here. Up on the 1 minute, you'll see choppy as fuck. Loads of yellow or orange photo news. See, okay, type shit. SMT? SMT for sure. Do we take out previous day lows? Okay, let's take out previous day lows. Damn, we're gonna dump all day again. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's not suffer from tunnel vision here. We got a 4 hour order block that we tapped into. Down on it. Okay. Now we are starting to retrace to the upside. Looking for either a sweep of this or OTE of this range. Take along towards all this accumulation we got. New York Stock Exchange accumulation. Maybe an SMT at these lows. See. Okay. Hype shit. Okay, that's OTE. Okay, no SMT. Still OTE. We got good buy side here. Oops, my laptop spotted there. Okay. You got buy side here. You got a 50-minute rebalance above. You got low high. If you drop down to the lower time frame, you'll see bullish ABS framework loading up. New York Stock Exchange accumulation. 4-hour order block tap. OTE. Yeah, this is mainly based off of internal structure. Um, let's see, 30-second. Okay, we inverse that. I'm not opposed to taking this trade, but it has to be low risk. This is a this is a C minus trade to setup, to be honest. See the risk. Okay, we got a devil's mark there. 930 wick. Perfect. That's actually perfect. Well, 930 wick, devil's mark. Take it to there. But good targets overall. 930 wick. We got internal high here. No SMT whatsoever. Like I said, not bad. We got OTE, we got internal, like lower, super low time frame ABS, OTE, 4-hour order block, and then you can see this as a sweep, but I'm not gonna count that as a sweep. Did we rebalance a 5 minute by any chance? No, we did not. Right? I don't know. Do we? No, we did not. Yeah, I'll take this. I said it was just a C minus, but it's more like a B plus, just because of the devil's mark, the 50-minute rebalance, and the low resistance liquidity to the upside, and the accumulation has. Um, the targets is what makes this trade really good. Complex for this trade would be accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So in the framework, ABS framework, 4-hour order block, internal OTE, 930 doubles mark, 50-minute, what's it called? 50-minute rebalance. Yeah, that's basically it. No SMT. Go break even at, okay, I'll go break even this high. Take out a, no, just let it ride. Why is my shit lagging so hard? 05, I am the greatest rapper alive. Okay, can we please? Why is it lagging so hard? Okay, it's full CP. Any questions about this trade? Jesus, I don't know why it lags so hard. I got that frax indicator. This one. Uh, it's high term for power 3 by 2 degrees. It's free on FX replay, but it's paid on the trading view. There's another indicator. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, nah, probably not. Most likely next week back to trading. I needed a distraction. That's the whole reason why I started this backtesting session. I needed to keep my mind off whatever's happening. Okay, show the ABC light on this trade. Sure. Okay, drop down to the 15-second. You'll see a low, high, lower, low. All right. Low, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. So I said I didn't bother marking this out because it's a 15-second ABS, but it's still good to keep in mind. This would be your ABS. This would be be like low, high, 2 standard deviation. Rejected it perfectly, rejected off of OT as well. And then pumped to the upside. 15-second structure. It's all right, especially if you pair it with the new indicators that Premium has access to now. ATR. Yeah, fatty high time frame candles. That's the one. Fatty, whatever you want to call it. But Premium has access to an indicator made by Anthony, ATR. If you pair that with 15-second structure, it's actually crazy. If you pair that with 2-degree stools, aim DTT, star maps, back to consolidations, if you pair with all of that, it's crazy. Was the entry off of 30-second inversion? It's a really late inversion, but like took it super late, but there's a 30-second inversion here, as you can see. Yeah, I didn't notice it, but still took it like a minute after it happened. Yes, sir. Love you, JC. Trying to stop the web. I've been on a break for like what, almost a week now. I think almost a week. It's not that. If quitting weed made me this fucked up, then I'd have other problems to worry about. Actually, do we have any other questions about this trade? What a failure I'd be if quitting weed made me this fucked up. I was just sleeping. I sleep pretty good. No, I sleep pretty good. Nah, it's what you call good. My sleep schedule is always fucked up, but I don't, it's not. My sleep quality has not like decreased, but my sleep schedule is still fucked up. Yeah, I take more and more trades lately off of the 30-second inversions. Now it's high time frame candles, and then the guy who made it is named Fatty. Fatty. I see. I think it's ICT high time frame candles. Five. Yeah, type shit. Gonna answer a couple more questions before continuing to what, Friday? Yeah, Friday. That'll be the last day of this session. Okay, explain your levels on the fib. When I use the fib, I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, that shit. That's a lot, of course. Okay, 0 is the place. Okay, 0 and 1 is just the places you mark your fib out. Okay, so 1 to 0, that's everything. Like the range that you want to mark out, like the top of the range would be 1 and the bottom of the range would be 0. Okay, then you have 0.25. Don't worry about this, and don't worry about 0.85. Those are still a work in progress. I haven't collected a lot of data on, but don't worry about those. 0.5 is equilibrium. 0.618 is start of OTE. 0.705 is golden pocket. 0.79 is the end of OTE. Everything in between that is the optimal trade entry. And 0.705 is the golden pocket. Okay, 1 we already discussed. 1.5 standard deviation, that is 1.5 and 2 standard deviation, that is those are the levels that you want to look for a rejection if you're trading the ABS model. So high, low, you place the fib on the range of the B leg. So like I said, Drop down here. Oops. Drop down to the 15-second. You'll see A leg low, B leg high. Okay, high. You place your fib there. Look for 1.5 and 2 standard deviation. You're gonna look for a rejection off of either of those. In this case, we rejected off 2 standard deviation. If we don't reject either of those, just keep in mind it's not a valid trade anymore. There are some cases, but I'm gonna explain it right now. But just keep in mind if we don't reject off 1.5 and 2 standard deviation, it is invalid. Like I said, there are some exceptions. So yeah. And they have 2.5. That is one of the exceptions. If everything else lines up with 2.5, then it's okay to take it. Oh yeah, they have -1. That is a good target for ABS or a good break-even point. So 1.5, same with 1.5, same with 2. 4 and -4, those are generally the end of like market maker buy and sell models on the lower time frame, also on the higher time frame if you use it correctly. I've yet to master putting fibs on the right ranges for market maker buy and sell model. So I'll not talk too much about that. But the rest, like standard deviations, are good for targets and good for rejections. In your experience, is there anything I should do differently to avoid Apex giving me problems with APIs? I know people record. Yeah, you should record your trades. Okay, so don't. Okay, the main thing with Apex, let me explain this real quick. The main thing with Apex is consistency. You need to be really consistent, not with your. Okay, you have the 30% consistency rule, that's something, but you also have contract consistency, okay? You cannot be taking trades with, you cannot be taking trades with what, 5 contracts, one trade, and then the next trade you're gonna take the trade with 1 contract. Okay, gotta be consistent with your contract sizing as well. Okay, so stick to a range like 1 to 2 contracts or 2 to 3 contracts. Just don't make it too big of a difference. So yeah, that is something you need to keep in mind. Contract consistency. What else? Yeah, news trading. Just a standard shit. Be careful with DCA. Although they say they don't have a rule against it, they will deny your payout if you do it too much. The 30% drawdown rule. I don't know how that works honestly. It was something about that you cannot risk more than 30% of your total profits made. So keep that in mind as well. I don't know exactly how it works, so you should look that up. Yeah, the 30% drawdown rule. That's basically it. And just record your trades. Better safe than sorry, right? Yes, sir. All good. Let's continue with the last day. Once to load, of course. Okay. It's London loop. There's no London move. Just consolidation. Shit. This is crazy. Draws 100% London lows. This looks kind of like IB. I don't know. No, I technically see it most definitely on a 1 hour. Not a 4 hour. No, not even. Never mind. Draws not London lows. Unless, okay. Hold on 1 second. So actually analyze this. We got London lows, we got Asia lows, Asia highs taken, London highs taken in pre-market, both of them. We got an SMT with nothing, no external SMT. right? I'm tweaking. Now we got no external SMT. Tapped into previous day lows. Reject that. No true day open is all the way down there. So to worry about. We do have this CISD, but we didn't tap into it. Overextending the range to the downside. I mean, I still want to be bearish here. Although, I still want to be bearish here. Okay. Daily profiles didn't do anything today. So the long move is too fucked up, and there's no search and destroy. The London range is just too small. But based on what we're respecting, what we're disrespecting, I want to lean more bearish. Unless proven otherwise, of course. Let's see how 930 opens up. I have a feeling this would be a day where I need to base my trades off of internal structure or an external structure. Okay, we got an SMT. Okay, SMT, order block, 15-minute rebalance. Oopsie, we got a 15-minute rebalance right there as well. Alright, 15-minute rebalance, order block, ABS, London lows. Is that a double mark? Oh, that is not a double mark. Low. London lows, SMT, order block. That's an order block, not an ABS. Low, high, low, low. Type shit. There's an SMT that lows though. Wow, my bad, I'm tweaking. High, low. Alright. SMT dies. High, low. No 1.5 standard deviation. Order block that's standing between us and order 1.5 standard deviation, 50-minute rebalance, also SMT, probably OT of the range as well. See? Yeah. Perfect tap into the golden pocket and reject off of this. And we do. 30-second inversion, probably. Yeah. This is a really good trade. Not A plus, but still a really good trade. What would make this A plus is an internal SMT. Other than that, 1.5 standard deviation rejection, of course. And we still have like a mini consolidation zone here that we can target accumulation lows. London lows below. Doubt there being a 5-minute rebalance here. Lowers this liquidity here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take this. Oh man, it's going right. Type shit. Yeah, I'll go break even if we take those lows. Okay, we took those lows. Let's go break even here. Okay. This is crazy. If we actually take London lows. Okay. Trade worked out. Wake me up at one tick. That is one tick. Not even one tick. Just tapped into my break even. Like perfectly. I mean, it was a small VI here, but A two tick VI, but it's whatever. Trade worked out, draw correct. Any questions about the trade? Yeah, it's crazy. I was nervous to enter because of the 1 hour IFG on this 500. Does it even matter? Do we tap it on? Thank you. Oh, IFG. My bad. Hold on. What? Uh, 1 hour inverse flag. Oh, we took the same trade. Good shit. Nah, nah, not really. Draw is still obviously low, and we had loads of things supporting us to the upside. To the downside, but this is a break-even trade. I'm not even mad about it. It's whatever. Any questions about the trade? Yes, sir. Good shit, no? Good shit, good shit. Love to see it. Yo, Crabs. You think we can put this video on free resources or not? Type shit. This recording is gonna be put in free resources as well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Type shit. Yes, sir. Tilly. Alright, let's look at the statistics. Did we finish April? No, we did 1 week, right? It's felt like 2 weeks, honestly. Did we do 1 week? Okay. In the month of April, we have a 81% win rate, 12 trades, 9 wins, 2 losses, 1 break even, 20K P&L, risking 1% each trade, average R of 2.5, max R of 3.16, average win of 1.8%, average loss of 0.9, type shit, 13% up. Could be better, honestly, but it's whatever. It's alright. Do you have any other questions before I hop off? I'm not tired. I think I'm gonna eat something and go to sleep. Oh. Mm-hmm. Easter. Good shit, man. Love you. Easter. Always, bro. If you have any questions, just don't 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 DM me, but just add me in the group, and I'll do my best to answer your shit. Your good looks, guys. I'm gonna hop off here. Uh, don't DM me, bro. I will not respond to any DMs. Yeah, you can DM Crabs. Send him. Yeah, you could. I was about to say something crazy, but All right, that shit. All right, guys, good list. Love you. I'll see you tomorrow or some shit.